After a long time of not recording again, I came back to make a YouTube video. Sorry, I don't know why I made that face. I haven't recorded in a long time, so it's kind of weird because I forgot how to do YouTube. Also, introvert vibes. Right? Okay. So, I usually do neutral tutorials, so I just decided to show you guys how Ariana Grande inspired makeup eye look because I didn't really follow through her face look. So if you need help with the look on how to get that and you want to do it for fun, keep watching. Sorry, I had to do a voiceover mainly because there's a lot of commotion going on in my house and all that shebang. But so this is me posing. I don't know what I'm doing. Don't question me. So I always start off by doing concealer because it's the base. You have to do it or else your makeup won't look good. And remember to blend it in. Then I start using a setting powder. I don't know what I'm doing here. Ignore me. I don't know. Again. But I'm using this brush to blend it over my entire eye so we don't get greasy eyes. And then I use those two colors to use as kind of like a base because I didn't know if Ariana Grande did one, or I mean had some eyeshadow on her lid, but I can't really do an eye look without at least a base, so I decided just to go neutrals, you know, and then blended it out just to not make it look all harsh, you know. Then we use the black colors, the eyeshadow colors in the palette to do an eyeliner, a winged eyeliner, because she did have a winged eyeliner. Unfortunately, hers was liquid, but since I have extensions on, I didn't want to ruin them. So I did use the eyeshadow. And then I went in with the Kylie Jenner white liner that she released like 3 years ago. I don't know, it's not on sale, but I'll leave the name of it down in the description box. And I was struggling with this eyeliner because it's kind of old and it might be expired, but I need to get a new white eyeliner. I just never do colored eye looks until now, and that is completely out of my comfort zone, but it's okay to do new things, you know. Here I am perfecting it, and I always, before my foundation, I always put on a, having a brain fart. I put on some, let's just focus on the video, okay? I'm putting a base before my foundation, and I got that from YSL, and I didn't, there we go, Giorgio Armani foundation. This is not my color, so if it doesn't match my neck, I'm sorry. I was trying to get matched, and I guess, according to them, this was my color, but I'm not quite sure that is my color. I mean, in the video it looks otherwise, but you tell me. And then I use the KKW from Kardashian concealer. I don't have that product anymore, so I'm kind of struggling trying to get the last bit that I have left. I don't know why I made that face, but let's ignore that happened. And I got this from TikTok. They said that this gives you like a foxy, snatched look, but I'm not sure if it actually is a thing. I just decided to go with the trends. Because why not try something new? I don't know. I like it. And then I went with the white eyeliner, again from Kylie Jenner. Same release as the gel white eyeliner. Again, not for sale, but I'll still write down the name of it in the description. And then I have this Laura Mercier I don't know if you could call it contour or bronzer. It's one or the other. I always have troubles like trying to figure out which one is which, but I'm contouring my cheekbones. Alright, so this is the look. It's all done. Thanks for watching, guys. If you can like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you. You can watch my other videos as well from like 3 years ago, so bye.